Hello friends, welcome to TechoReview. Just like Xerox is synonymous with photocopying, Googling has become a term for internet searching. This journey began in 1998 as a college project by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, aiming to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Initially, Google was a simple search engine. The name Google is inspired by Google, a term for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, symbolizing the vast amount of information Google aims to organize. In 2000, Google launched AdWords, now known as Google Ads, allowing businesses to pay for ads on Google search results. This became Google's biggest revenue model. Over the years, Google introduced many more services: Gmail in 2004, Google Maps in 2005, YouTube acquisition in 2006, Android in 2008, and Google Chrome the same year. Google even ventured into hardware with products like Pixel smartphones and Chromebook laptops, and is now expanding into AI with projects like Google Assistant and Google Cloud AI. However, not all of Google's ventures were successful. Google+, Google Hangouts, and Google Nexus tablets were notable failures. The lesson here is clear: failure is the mother of all successes. To achieve great success, one must be prepared to face many failures. In 2022, Google earned $280 billion, with 58% from Google search ads. Other significant sources include Google Network ads, YouTube ads, Google Play Store, and Google Cloud. Despite offering many free services, Google's main revenue comes from ads, thanks to data collection and targeted advertising. Every search, video watched, and email sent provides data that helps Google serve targeted ads, creating a highly profitable model. Privacy concerns and competition from AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT pose challenges. As awareness of privacy grows, people share less data online, affecting ad targeting. Additionally, AI platforms offering direct answers without ads could disrupt Google's dominance. Let's not forget the importance of research and development, or R&D, for Google. The company spends around $40 billion annually on R&D to innovate and improve its services, ensuring it remains at the cutting edge of technology. Interestingly, Google's business model also includes various strategic acquisitions. For instance, YouTube, purchased in 2006 for $1.65 billion, has become a cornerstone of Google's ad revenue. Google's diversification strategy includes its hardware products like Pixel phones, Google Nest smart home devices, and Chromecast streaming devices. These products help Google integrate its services more deeply into users' lives, ensuring a continuous flow of data for targeted advertising. Despite its success, Google faces significant challenges, including regulatory scrutiny and legal issues. In 2023, Google paid a $93 million fine to the state of California for misleading users about location tracking. In conclusion, Google's ability to offer free services while generating massive profits through targeted advertising and data collection is a testament to its innovative business model. As Google continues to evolve and adapt to new challenges, it remains to be seen how it will navigate the future of technology and maintain its position as an internet giant. Thanks for watching TechoReview. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.